The next concept I want to talk about is using pattern and detail. And I've got two really rough, simple, abstract scenes again. Imagine, again, this is water. This is some object going back into space. So on this side, we can see the pattern and the detailing is quite, it's quite consistent all over this part of the image. There's no variation. So this rock has similar amount of pattern and details to this one and to this one. The pattern and detail here is all evenly spaced, it's all over this point. So when I'm designing, I like to think in terms of limiting my detail and my pattern to a focal point. For example, on the right here, if I want this rock to be my focal point, I'm going to put I'm going to make sure the detail at this point here outweighs the detail, say, over here. Because basically the viewer is going to look at this point. Well, in contrast to this, if there's a lot of detail here, for example, if there's a lot of detail here and here, where does the viewer look? Whereas if there's a lot of detail here and not much here, the eye is going to be drawn into this point. It's almost like contrast. So there's a contrast in the amount of detail. So it's just about thinking about how to use details to draw the eye in and bring it where you want it to be. So by focusing it on the main focal point, it just makes for a more interesting piece. And the eye is not going to get distracted by looking around at all the other things that are catching its attention. So that's basically what I'm doing when I'm designing. That's what I'm thinking about in terms of pattern and detail.